Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the present continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions happening right now, actions happening around the current time, and ongoing actions. Let's get started. The structure is simple. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. For example, I am talking. Now let's hear some examples from you.
I'll go first. I am watching a movie right now.
Great job, Sam. This shows an action happening at this moment. Emma, can you give an example of an action happening around the current time?
She is working on her science project.
Well done, Emma. This shows an action that is happening around the current time, but not necessarily at this exact moment. Lily, can you give an example of an ongoing action?
Okay, they are training for the marathon.
Excellent, Lily. This indicates an action that is happening continuously over a period of time. Chris, your turn.
How about he is preparing for his presentation?
Nice one, Chris. Now let's talk about forming questions and negatives. For questions, we switch the subject in am, is, and are. For example, is she reading? For negatives, we add not after am, is, and are. For example, she is not reading. Jamie, can you give a question example?
Sure. Are they playing soccer?
Perfect. And a negative example.
He is not playing soccer.
Excellent. Now, let me explain the difference between these uses. Action happening at the moment. This is something occurring right now as we speak. For example, I am explaining the present continuous tense right now. Action happening around the current time. This is an action that is ongoing and happening during this period, but not necessarily at this exact second. For example, she is studying for her exams this week. Let's summarize with a few more examples.
I am learning to play the guitar.
She is not cooking dinner right now.
Are you visiting your grandparents this weekend?
We are learning English.
Is he attending the seminar tomorrow?
Here's a quick recap of what we learned today. Structure, usage, actions happening now, ongoing actions, and future plans. Examples: I am eating dinner. Happening now. She is studying for her exams. Ongoing action. They are visiting their grandparents next week. Future plan. Questions: Are you listening to music? Is he attending the meeting? Negatives: She is not painting a picture. They are not fixing the car. Remember, the present continuous tense is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Keep practicing to get comfortable with it. Viewers, what ongoing action are you doing right now? Comment below. Also, let us know if you have any questions about the present continuous tense or what you want us to cover in the next episode.
Stay tuned for more learnings, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.